All right, this problem is 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1. And this is Mr. 9. Mr. 9 is so sad. He's crying because he wants to be a 10. How many more does Mr. 9 need to be a 10? How many more? Can you make Mr. 9 happy and tell me how many more he needs to be 10? He wants to be 10 so badly. He needs one more to be a 10. Oh my goodness, Mr. 9 is so happy now. He is a 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Let's see if we're right. Yes, look. 9, and then we gave the 1 up here to the 9, and we made a 110. Very nice job. Okay, let me reset here. Okay, we have Mr. 9 here. Mr. 9, oh my goodness, he's so sad. He wants to be a 10. Oh, how many more orange do we need to give him to make him a 10? Oh, he can ask Mr. 2. Mr. 2, can I have 110 so I can become a 10? And Mr. 2 says, oh yes, I'll give you one of mine. Oh, Mr. 2 is so nice. And now it's a 10. Now 9 plus 2 is 110, 1. What's 110, 1? Did you say 11? Yes, 9 plus 2 is 11. Look, we had our 9, we gave one away, now we have 110, 1, 11. 9 plus 2 is 11. Okay, now we have a new problem. 9 plus 3. Mr. 9 is so sad. I just want to be a 10 so bad, Mr. 3. What can 3 give him to make him a 10? Did you say a 1? Can Mr. 3 give him a 1 and he could have 10? Mr. 3, would you give me a 1 so I can be a 10? Oh yes, I'll give you a 1 so you can be a 10. Oh my, we just made a 10. Nice job. 9 plus 3, 110, 2. 110, 2 is 12. 9 plus 3 is 12. Let's check our answer. Yes, we had 9. The 3 gave a 1, and it makes a 110, 2, 12. Nice job. Okay. 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4. Mr. 9 is so sad. He wants to be a 10. How many more does he need to be a 10? How many more? Oh, Mr. 4, can I have 1 so I can be a 10? Sure, you can have a 1. Now it's a 10. 9 plus 4 equals 110, 3. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13. 110, 3, 13. Good job. Let me reset here. 9 plus 5. Oh, I'm so sad. I'm Mr. 9 and I want to be a 10. What could Mr. 5 give me so that I could be a 10? How many more does Mr. 9 need to be a 10? 1? I just need 1 more? Mr. 5, will you give me 1 more? Sure, I'll give you 1 more to make you a 10. 9 plus 5 is 110, 4. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14. 110, 4. 14. Good job. Okay. 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6. Oh, Mr. 9 is so sad. I'm so sad. I want to be a 10. How many more do I need to be a 10? One more? Mr. 6, can I have one more to be a 10? Sure. Oh, look, 9 plus 6 is 110, 5. 110, 5. 9 plus 6 is 15. We had 9 and then gave 1 away, and then we had 5 left. 110, 5. 15. Nine plus 7. Mr. 9 is so sad. He wants to be a 10. How many more can we give him to be a 10? Did you say 1? Mr. 7, can I have one of yours so I can be a 10 and be big, a big 10 stick? Sure, I'll give you one. There we go. 9 plus 7 is 110 and 6 ones. 110, 6 is 9 plus 7 is 16. Let's see if we're right. Yep, we had 9, and then we carried up that 1 right there, and then we had 6 left. 110, 6, 16. Okay, now we have 9 plus 8. Oh, Mr. 9 is so sad. He wants to be a 10. How many more does he need to be a 10? All right, let's ask Mr. 8 if he can get one more. Mr. 8, can he have one more? Sure, you can have one more from mine. Oh, let me pull it from here so you can see it. Now it's 110, 7. What's 110, 7? 9 plus 8 equals 7. Or 9 plus 8 equals 17. Can't forget that 10 stick. 110, 7. 17. We had 9. Hold up the 1. Then we have 7 left. 110, 7, 17. Now we have 9 plus 9. Here's Mr. 9. He's so sad. He wants to be a 10. How many more does he need to be a 10? Did you say 1? Good job. Now we have 110, 8. 110, 8. 9 plus 9 is 18. Good job. We gave 1 up here. We had 110, 8, 18. 9 plus 9 is 18. You just did something called the Make 10 strategy. We gave 9, Mr. 9, he's so sad, he wants to be a 10. So we made 10 by giving 1 away to the 8. So let me take these snap cubes away and let's practice our, I'm mixing them all up, and let's practice our plus 9 facts. So we're going to start right here and we're going to pretend we're Mr. 9. Mr. 9 goes, oh, I'm so sad, I want to be a 10. Can I have 1? Now think about the number that is 1 less than 4. 3. So when we give 1 up here, it's now 110, 3. So 9 plus 4 is 13. 13, good job. 9 plus 7. Can I have a 1, please, so I can be a 10? Okay, when we give a 1 to the 9, go 1 back from 7, count back 1 from 7. That becomes now a 6. 110, 6. 16. 9 plus 7 is 16. 9 says, I really want to be a 10. Can you give me a 1? Can you give me a 1? When the 6 gives the 9 a 1, it becomes a 10, and now it has 1 less. So it becomes a 5. 1, 10, 5 is 15. 9 plus 6 is 15. Oh, we know this one. What's 9 plus 1? These are the partners to 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. 9 is so sad. He wants to be a 10, so he asked 5, can you give me a 1? When the 5 gives him a 1, the 5 now becomes a 4. 1, 10, 4. 9 plus 5 equals 14. 1, 10, 4. 9 plus 8. Oh, 9 wants to be a 10. Please, please, can you give me a 1? Mr. 8 gives him a 1. Now it becomes a 7. 1, 10, 7. 9 plus 8 equals 17. 1, 10, 7, 17. 9 plus 2. Oh, Mr. 9 is so sad. He wants to be a 10. He asks the 2 for a 1. When the 1 goes up here to make this a 10, this becomes a 1. Now we have 1, 10, 1. 1, 10, 1. 9 plus 2 equals 11. 1, 10, 1. 11. 9 plus 3. Mr. 9 is so sad. He wants to become a 10. He asks the 3 for a 1. The 3 gives the 9 a 1. And now it is a 2. 1, 10, 2. 9 plus 3 equals 12. Good job. 1, 10, 2, 12. Mr. 9 is so sad. He wants to be a 10. He asks the other 9 for a 1. When he gives him the 1, this becomes a 10 and this becomes an 8. 1, 10, 8. 9 plus 9 equals 18. Nice job doing your plus 9 facts today using the Make 10 strategy.